Hello everyone, and welcome to our session on Salesforce User Basics. Today, we are going to explore how this powerful platform can transform the way you work and help you build stronger relationships with your customers. So, what exactly is Salesforce? Think of it as your all-in-one customer success platform. It's designed to bring all your business functions, sales, service, marketing, and analytics, into one cloud-based location. Instead of juggling different spreadsheets or apps, you have a single, secure interface to manage contacts, track your to-do lists, and collaborate with your team to close more business from anywhere in the world. At its heart, Salesforce is a CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. Essentially, it's a technology that allows you to manage every interaction with your current and prospective customers. It goes beyond a simple address book by helping you gather social media insights, track performance metrics, and streamline communication across email, phone, and social channels. To use Salesforce effectively, it helps to understand how it organizes your information. We use terms like object and record. Think of an object as a tab in a spreadsheet, like contacts or accounts. A record is a single row in that spreadsheet, representing one specific person or company. A field is like a column, where you store specific details like a phone number. When we talk about your org, we mean your specific instance or digital office, where all your data lives, and an app is simply a collection of these tools tailored to help you complete a specific business process. In Salesforce, we use standard objects to keep things organized. Accounts are the companies you work with, while contacts are the specific people at those companies. Leads represent potential prospects you haven't fully qualified yet. Once a lead shows they are ready to buy, you convert them into an opportunity, which is where you track the actual deal through to the finish line. Now that we understand the data structure, let's look at where you'll start your day, the home page. The home page is your command center. It's designed to be intelligent and modern, giving you everything you need to hit the ground running. You can use the performance chart to see how you're doing against your targets, check the assistant for a list of urgent tasks, and get the latest industry news. Because it's customizable, your admin can even tailor this page to show exactly what matters most to your specific role. Once you're ready to dive into a specific deal, you'll move into the Opportunity Workspace. The Opportunity Workspace is where the real selling happens. It's a powerful environment optimized for action. Here, your sales process is front and center, complete with coaching scripts for every stage to guide your strategy. You can see a full timeline of activities and create records with just a few clicks, ensuring your energy stays focused on closing the deal rather than data entry. Of course, every deal is tied to people and companies, which brings us to accounts and contacts. When you convert a lead, Salesforce automatically sets up an account for the company and a contact for the person. These pages are optimized for quick reference. Unlike the Opportunity Workspace where you're constantly updating stages, these pages are about gathering insights. You can see integrated news feeds, check past interactions at a glance, and trust that the data is clean thanks to built-in duplicate matching. With so much data, you need a way to filter through the noise. This is where list views come in. List views are a great way to see the records that matter most to you right now. You can create custom filters, for example, showing only opportunities worth over £50,000. They aren't just text lists, either. You can instantly turn these lists into charts to visualize your pipeline on the fly without needing any technical help from an admin. If you prefer a more visual way of managing your workflow, you'll love the Kanban view. The Kanban view organizes your records into columns, like a digital board of sticky notes. To move a deal forward, you simply drag and drop it from one stage to the next. It gives you a great bird's-eye view of your workload, and for opportunities, it can even provide alerts to let you know when a key deal needs your attention. For a deeper dive into your performance, we look at reports and dashboards. While list views are great for quick tasks, reports allow for more complex analysis, like grouping data or performing calculations. Dashboards then take those reports and turn them into a visual gallery. Your admin can create flexible layouts that show multiple charts in different sizes, helping you and your team collaborate and stay aligned on your goals. You might be wondering who sets all this up. That's the Salesforce admin. Think of the admin as your platform's architect. They are professionals who configure the system to fit your company's unique needs. They manage user access, maintain data security, and automate repetitive tasks, so that you can focus on your job without needing to write a single line of code. Your Salesforce admin wears many hats. Their key responsibilities include managing who can log in, ensuring data stays accurate, setting up automated workflows, and building those sophisticated reports and dashboards we just looked at. They are your primary point of contact for making Salesforce work better for you. That brings us to the end of our overview. Thank you for your time today. With these basics, you're now ready to start exploring Salesforce and using it to drive your own customer success. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.